Ken from Alliance with a sweet message. S.U.I.T.E, S-U-I-T-E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. If you follow me, you're probably familiar with our R3 program. It's recondition, retool, reuse, where we take machines back from the field and we find a useful new purpose for them. That's a very sustainable aspect of our business. Now we got a couple machines back. These are return to operator. It's a dual chain operated system. And in this particular case, we were cleaning input shafts for electronic steering components. So we could clean a similar type shaft in a machine like this. We could do anything cylindrical, something long and narrow in size. The machines will be retrofitted, so we'll redo the sprays, we'll redo the blow-off system. This particular machine, you load and unload at the same location. It travels into the machine, goes past the demagnetizing unit, through a wash, and then through a blow-off. So very configurable. These machines have a lot of great useful life left in them. They're constructed of stainless steel and a lot of corrosion resistant type parts. So it's a very good opportunity to get a machine at say 60 to 70 cents on the dollar compared to new, and we can configure it exactly to meet your application. So if you're interested, give us a call today. Ken from Alliance, have a sweet day.